Hey guys, Donnie Uzelac back with the second part of this bear video. Hope you guys enjoyed that first part. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you'd like to see some more how-to videos, please let me know in the comments below. Today we're going to be doing a little bit more work on this bear, get it sanded down, get a little bit more definition. It's pretty hard with just a stock 18-inch bar to get a little bit of detail on there, but did my best, I think. Again, leave a comment and let me know what you think. Alright guys, well let's get this bear finished and see what it looks like. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today. That was my part 2 for my bear. Got it all finished up for you guys. Let me know down below what you think. It's been a while since I've carved a bear, so let me know how I did. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Remember, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'd love to make some more videos for you guys, so let me know if you guys have any ideas on what you'd like to see me try, or another how-to. I could teach you guys how to do a Christmas tree. Christmas is coming up, so let me know down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.